Sir, as per the drawing, ah, ito yung place mo. Ito, ano, two-seater ang pwede natin ilagay dito. Kasi kung kukunin natin yung corner, so two-seater lang ang pwede dyan. Kasi pagka yung three-seater na kahit yung wooden type, eh hindi siya hindi. Sir, ito yung plano kong ilagay. Reception mo 2.4. Kasya to doon kasi mayroon kang 3 point something na haba. So kasya to. 2.4, wala kaming 2 meter eh. Ito lang yung pinakamalaki namin. Kasi may column, doon sa drawing may mga column. So hindi ka pwedeng mag 2.4, 2.6. Sobrang malaki na yon. So ito siguro applicable sa iyo to, 2 meter. Kung okay sa iyo ito na lang ilagay ko sa ano, sa quotation. Sir, sa harap ng reception, pwede mo tong ilagay. Itong 2-seater, magkadikit. Tapos may isa ka pang option dito. So pwede rin to. Meron pa akong isa bagong dating. Dali, pabigay ko sa iyo. Bagong dating oh. Pero matagal na namin i-stock to. Walang problema dito. So yan yung isang style na wooden type din siya. So yan pwede mong ilagay sa ano. Pwede mong ilagay sa harap ng reception mo. So sir, this is 1.6 from here, okay, 1.6. And from here,
Subscribe!
from that edge to edge
Sana
like
all!
this,
Subscribe!
this is coming 80 centimeter. Okay sir? So this is the front. One piece this one. This one is coming to your car. One piece this one and 6 pieces like this. All this one with fixing. Because we don't have delivery. Angela don't have delivery in Abu Dhabi tomorrow. But customer need this one tomorrow. Sir, this is the box that you are circle one. Okay, you put the circle one. This is the box. And this is the length 3.2, 2.2 high, and deep 40. Hi sir, so if you see this one, this is perfectly correct, right? And this is side also. So this one is deep is 40 from the down one up to there. But if you will see, this one is like pyramid, right? But this one is coming in this, see 40 in this side, 40 also.
Sana all.